राम 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 अழியாத अखण्डाकार तत्त्व रामनिन् दूतने अழியாத अखण्डाकार तत्त्व रामनिन् दूतने कणयाழி தந்து ராமமனையாளின் துயர் தீர்த்தாய் கணையாழி தந்து ராமமனையாளின் துயர் தீர்த்தாய் பிணையினும் சிறியவனே மலையினும் பெரியவனே என் வழித்துணை வருக வருகவே என் வழித்துணை வருக வருகவே என் வழித்துணை வருக வருகவே.
The majestic Kanyakumari Sri Jaya Hanuman was consecrated on Mahashivratri Day in the year 2009 in Mahanyam village. Sri Jaya Hanuman is 24 feet tall, depicting the 24,000 shlokas of Srimad Valmiki Ramayana. He is also celebrated as a manifestation of the Gayatri Mantra, which has 24 syllables, and he also represents the 24 tattvas. Sri Jaya Hanuman here is in the form of the Vishwarupa that he took before Sita Devi in the Ashoka forest at Sri Lanka. Hence, this sanctum is surrounded by several trees that have been mentioned in Srimad Ramayana. On seeing Sita Devi at Ashokavana, Hanumanji meditates on the form of Lord Sita Rama with hands joined in reverence and his tail tucked in. As he is in this Dhyana Rupa here, he stands gloriously mindless of heat, cold or rain. Worshipping this boon-bestowing Hanumanji removes afflictions due to planetary positions, particularly lighting a gingerly oil lamp on Saturdays during a specific time is said to redeem one from the negative impact of the planet Saturn. Hanumanji here has blessed several bhaktas by bestowing them the blessing of marriage, children and intelligent speech. Devotees come to this shrine for 7 consecutive weeks on a chosen day of the week and submit their prayers and offer garlands made of vada or betel leaf during the 7th concluding week. Also, worshipping Sri Jaya Hanuman by offering archana and lighting lamps is said to resolve health issues. Worshipping of the bell tied on the Lord's tail brings a solution to unresolved problems. This temple is open in the mornings between 6:30 and 10:30 am from Sundays to Fridays and from 6:30 to 11 am on Saturdays and from 4:30 to 8 pm in the evenings on all days of the week. On Amavasya and Moola Nakshatra days, a special Abhishekam is performed at 5 pm in the evenings. Every year, Hanumat Jayanti and the Pratishta day, which falls on Mahashivratri, is celebrated in a very grand manner. On Tamil New Year Day, which falls on the first day of the Tamil month Chittirai, Lakshadipam is lit here, praying for auspiciousness and prosperity. We welcome all of you to come to this sanctum of Kanyakumari Sri Jaya Hanuman and be recipients of the boundless blessings from the Lord here. Our Hanumanji is sure to bless every bhakta not only with all their worldly prayers but also with the true spirit of Kaikarya, which he alone is the embodiment of. Jai Shri Hanuman, Jai Shri Ram.